All right, now we're doing 7Q Isograms. This is by Chun Jeff, and 90% of the people like it. An isogram is a word that has no repeating letters, consecutive or non-consecutive. We're going to implement a function that determines whether a string that contains only letters is an isogram. We'll assume an empty string is also an isogram. We're going to ignore letter case. So this one's true because nothing repeats. This one's false because there's two A's in it, and this one's obviously false because there's two O's in it, and we're going to ignore the letter case, right? So let's go over here. We're going to say const is isogram equals string, and then we're going to say arrow right here. So for this one, first thing we want to do is we're going to change it to either upper or lowercase. We're going to change it to lowercase on this one. So we're going to use this toLowerCase method, which, as you can imagine, returns a calling string value converted to lowercase. So we're going to say str.toLowerCase, and that's it. Now, to check if this thing repeats or not, what we're going to do is use this set constructor. All right, and the set constructor lets us create set objects that store unique values of any type, whether primitive values or object references. Well, it doesn't really say what a set is, but basically they have to be unique. You can't have like two of the same character in there, right? So we're going to do this by using this new set method and then putting the thing that we just did in parentheses. So we're going to say new, and then capital S and ET right here, and at the end put this here. So now we've got this going on. Let's do a little console.log action. Console.log, and down here we're going to have one of these, and let's see what it looks like right now. All right, so in this one, well, let's switch this one up with isogram. Let's just take this one out of here and let's test it like that. Isogram, that's good too. All right, let's go to a false one. All right, here's ABA. Test it out. And now there's only AB because it doesn't repeat the A. All right. So basically, now that we've got this done, we're going to check we're going to get the size of it. And when you do a set, when you get the size of a set, you don't do the dot length. What we do is the dot size, and the dot size accessor property returns the number of unique elements in a set object. All right. So we're going to say dot size. And now we're going to, what are we going to do? Let's test it out one more time. And now it has the number 2, all right? And now we're going to say that needs to equal, what does it need to equal? Oh, str.length. Because if they are equal, it'll be cool. You know, it'll be the same number. But if they're not equal, yeah, you get what I'm trying to say, hopefully. So this is false because this has 3 and that set has 2. So that looks pretty good. That looks like what we're looking for. Let's take care of this, get rid of the console.log, test it out. Looks like it works. Attempt it. Looks like it's good. Submit it. All right. And down here, pretty much the exact same thing. I like to do .toLowerCase, but these people like uppercase. Let's go to mine. And it's just us right here. Best practice in my opinion. Very much like it. And we'll see you next time.